See? It must come to that point. This comes about as a result of reflection. But the doubt will not get removed if your attention is on, no, but why? You are holding on to the doubt. Because you think your thinking about that doubt is more important than the thought that was presented in the satsang. So the conclusion that was given in the satsang, for example, you are not the body, is the thought given. And now I say, no, why the body? I am not the body. What is wrong in me being the body? Why can't I know that I am the body and yet know the truth? You will never come to know the truth. Conclusion. You have to give up desires in order to know the truth. What is wrong in having desires? If this is the way our thinking goes, there is no, you are not qualified. Simple as that. If you have even one desire, if you have the one idea that I am this body, if you have one thought which keeps you less than what you essentially are, which is infinite, it is enough to bring you back into this world. Keep you away from entering the sanctum sanctorum. So here, second is reflection. So reflection is removal of the doubt. The more doubts are removed, the more convinced you become about what you have heard. No doubt. No doubt. 80% doubt, 20% conviction. 50% doubt, 50% conviction. 20% doubt, 80% conviction. 1% doubt, 99% conviction. A point comes, I don't know if it is 50, 60, 70, 80, where the doubts may be still there about some things or the others, but the conviction has taken over now. Before the doubt was in control, now the conviction is in control. Now the conviction is in control. And it starts finding ways and means of how to remove that little bit doubt which is left. Because it's self-propelling. Like knowledge, the more the knowledge is there, the more the dispassion. The more the dispassion, more the knowledge. It's self-propelling. And when this happens, this last stage is called, it leads you to contemplation. Contemplation is what? Where now no more doubt is there about who you are. You have absolutely convinced yourself, I am that infinite. But the experience hasn't taken place. So now you sit with that. Sit with yourself. Sit with yourself. Maybe that last bit that you are objectifying yourself, that is the problem. But here the scriptures say that sitting by yourself will never make you come to know yourself. Only through a teacher. And the examples are given. Why? Here the first part is that you should receive the Upanishadic instructions. The example given here is just like a monkey, when he is given some gram to eat, or so given some, he sees a fruit tree, the first thing he does is, he keeps collecting, and what does he do? He keeps filling it up into his, in both the sides. He keeps filling up. Cow also does the same. She keeps collecting the grass, and keeps it in her throat. And when she has collected enough, then you will find one top of a tree, not the cow, monkey. The cow will find a shade somewhere, go, sit down, and then bring it all out. Little bit. Not the whole thing if she brings out, it will be a vomit. But little bit he will bring out, and then he'll chew that and then digest it. Because if he takes just as it is, the stomach may not digest it completely. It will all come out as fecal matter. Without digestion, this knowledge, you can see many people talking the same thing. Talking exactly the same language. But ask them, are they established? Few questions can come to know. You can come to know. Well, you may not, but someone who knows can come to know. Are they abiding, or it's just coming off their head? So, just like the cow brings it back and then starts chewing and digesting, monkey brings it up, then starts digesting, this is called reflection period. And you should bring it out in little bits. So what my suggestion is that every class you come, take one thing that connected with you. You don't have to remember the whole satsang. One thing that made an impact on your mind, intuitively you will come to know. That is the right thing that you have to work upon for the rest of the week or till the next satsang. At this moment, that was the right one. Then don't justify, no, I think I should contemplate on the self. But the thought came that I must take care of my anger. Thought of the self is good, but if anger is not addressed, why it has come, contemplate. For whom was the anger? If you just ask that question, the anger will go away. For whom was that desire? If you think about for whom, the desire will go away. Because the moment you ask for whom, it is taking you back to the subject. But if you ask, oh, why anger was justified, the desire was justified, then you are going away from the self. Then practice meditation by proper method. Practice meditation is the contemplation, nididhyasan. In Vedanta sadhana, 3 steps: Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Actively listening, active reflection, and active contemplation. So I already explained you the 3 steps. Through sincere practice of these procedures, one will ultimately realize the self. And in this manner, here, when we study under the teacher, the teacher teaches us in each satsang what is the subject matter that we are studying,